punch in profit. We are going to break down the trade we took today for about $2,300. You can check out the live execution. This was on my MyFunded Futures account. Okay, and you can see it play out. I'll have the link in the description below if you want to check that out. But nonetheless, let's break it down. I did take profit a little bit early at like 40 to 45 points. I was a little bit concerned about the 5 minute inversion we had down here, but it actually did play out and it did hit the take profit fairly easy and a little bit more. So I was a little bit disappointed that I didn't let it run to my 50 points. But it's no biggie. Sometimes you just got to secure the bag. And one of the reasons I did that was because I was very heavily leveraged in this trade. So I just wanted to secure the bag, and it was no big deal if I missed 5 to 10 more points. But anyhow, let's break it down. So 9:30 in the morning, we are just plummeting, 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 plummeting. We come down here, we don't get a clear reversal signal, right, in this leg right here, this price leg right here. So when we don't get that, I tend to assume we're going to start consolidating as you see here. Okay, so classic supply and demand, right? We kind of touch these blocks and it bounces off it. And it kind of, roughly speaking, oh, wrong tool right there. Let's get this one. Roughly speaking, supply and demand, right? We're going to bounce off of these blocks, sometimes go a little bit deeper, bounce up. And what we are looking for, if we don't get that, let's take this off now. If we don't get that reversal signal, our A plus entry setup right here, all throughout this leg, then you can anticipate we're probably consolidating and accumulating for a little bit. Then you want to take this logic. Well, if we didn't get our reversal signal here, maybe we can look for going back down, right? And we're going in and we're trading with the higher time frame trend. As you can see, we're plummeting down, plummeting down, plummeting down. And it's safe to assume if this price leg right here, where we got a little bit of a reversal, didn't provide our A plus setup, it's safe to say we're probably going to continue on down and we're going to take this low before we make a reversal back up. So that's two trades you could have taken today. But let's break it down. One, we get the inversion right here, and this is a very, very tricky one. So I want you to pay attention. Okay, as we're coming down, we get an inversion. Now, right here, I'm going to take this off for a second, and we are going to mark out the bullish fair value gap. Now look right here, there's a bullish fair value gap in here, but notice there's volume imbalances. So you want to cover that in the wicks. Make sure you cover that. When you get those volume, and I apologize, we have a Halloween party in the background. I am a little frustrated, but I'm committed to making the bag, so I'm not back there yakking it up with people. But as you can see, volume imbalance, volume imbalance. So you have to cover that with your GAN tool. Make sure you cover that. We'll change this to green to represent bullish. Then we'll take this and we will mark out the bearish fair value gap right here. That one has a volume imbalance as well. Make sure you notate that. Okay, so there is your inversion. That is your overlap right there. And let's mark this all out in purple because it's marking both of them out. Or let's get a deeper purple there, highlighter purple. Boom. So one, we get our inversion. Two, we have our advanced market structure shift right here. Okay, at the yellow line, we close over. As soon as it closes, we enter right there. Okay, three, we put our stop loss up. Four, we're going to aim for our 50 points, which from the entry is roughly about here. I actually got out probably somewhere around here. Okay, but you got your 50 points. And really what you would aim for, since you're in the higher time frame, you're trading with the trend, you can aim for this low. Okay, and boom, you're going to take that out. And then you definitely want to take profits off the board after that. If you want to hold a little bit longer till you get some sort of reversal signal, that's cool. But it did offer you 50 plus points. If we go all the way to the low, okay, that is about a 62 point move. It's your boy Havoc with Punch and Profit. Got any questions? Comment down below. Like the video, subscribe. God bless and take care. Peace.